This is the solar system, our cosmic neighborhood in the vast universe. At its center lies the Sun, a giant star whose gravity holds everything together. Orbiting around it are 8 unique planets, from the rocky worlds of the inner solar system to the massive gas giants beyond. Along the way, we also find moons, asteroids, and comets. Today, we're going to explore every planet and discover what makes each one special. Our first destination is Mercury, the closest planet to the Sun. From space, its gray and heavily cratered surface reveals a world that has remained largely unchanged for billions of years. Although Mercury is the smallest planet in the solar system, it moves around the Sun faster than any other planet. Let's take a closer look at this fascinating world. As we descend toward Mercury's surface, we begin to see the countless impact craters that cover this ancient world. With almost no atmosphere, Mercury has little protection from meteoroids, leaving its surface scarred for billions of years. The landscape is harsh, dry, and silent, making Mercury one of the most extreme environments in the entire solar system. Now, let's leave Mercury behind and continue our journey through the solar system. As we move away from this scorched and cratered world, our next destination is Venus. Often called Earth's sister planet because of its similar size, Venus is a very different world, hidden beneath a thick atmosphere and home to the hottest surface temperatures of any planet in the solar system. We have now arrived on Venus. Despite being Earth's closest planetary neighbor, Venus is a world of extreme heat and crushing atmospheric pressure. Its surface is covered with vast rocky plains and ancient volcanoes, making it one of the most hostile planets in the solar system. As we leave Venus behind, we continue our journey outward through the solar system. Our next destination is Earth, the third planet from the Sun and the only known world to support life. From space, its blue oceans, white clouds, and diverse landscapes make it one of the most beautiful planets in our cosmic neighborhood. As we descend toward Earth, we begin to see the features that make this planet so unique. Vast blue oceans cover most of its surface, while continents, forests, deserts, and mountains stretch across the globe. Unlike any other planet we've visited so far, Earth has the perfect conditions for liquid water and life. Protected by its atmosphere and magnetic field, it remains the only known world in the universe where life exists. Now, let's leave Earth behind and continue our journey deeper into the solar system. Ahead of us lies Mars, often called the Red Planet because of its distinctive rusty color. For decades, Mars has fascinated scientists and explorers, and it remains one of the most promising places in our search for past or future life beyond Earth. As we descend toward Mars, the Red Planet reveals its vast and barren landscapes. Dusty plains, giant volcanoes, and deep canyons stretch across the horizon. Mars is home to Olympus Mons, the largest volcano in the solar system, and Valles Marineris, a canyon system so large that it would span an entire continent on Earth. Although the planet appears lifeless today, scientists believe that liquid water once flowed across its surface. Now we leave Mars behind and travel farther into the solar system. Ahead of us lies Jupiter, the largest planet orbiting the Sun. This giant world is so massive that more than 1,000 Earths could fit inside it. Its powerful gravity and turbulent atmosphere make Jupiter one of the most fascinating planets in our cosmic neighborhood. As we approach Jupiter, its immense size becomes clear. Below us, enormous bands of clouds wrap around the planet, driven by powerful winds that can reach hundreds of kilometers per hour. Unlike the rocky planets we have visited so far, Jupiter is a gas giant, meaning there is no solid ground beneath these clouds. Leaving Jupiter behind, we continue our journey through the outer solar system. Ahead of us is Saturn, a planet famous for its magnificent ring system. Although Saturn is the second largest planet in the solar system, its low density means it is made mostly of hydrogen and helium. From a distance, its bright rings create one of the most breathtaking sights in our cosmic neighborhood. As we approach Saturn, its spectacular rings become more detailed. These rings are made of countless pieces of ice, rock, and dust, ranging in size from tiny particles to massive chunks. Saturn's atmosphere is dominated by powerful winds and swirling clouds, creating a constantly changing landscape. Like Jupiter, Saturn is a gas giant, meaning there is no solid surface beneath its thick atmosphere. We now leave Saturn and continue our journey into the distant reaches of the solar system. Ahead of us lies Uranus, a mysterious ice giant unlike any other planet. What makes Uranus truly unique is its extreme tilt, causing it to rotate almost on its side. This unusual orientation creates some of the most extreme seasons found anywhere in the solar system. As we approach Uranus, its pale blue color becomes more visible. This color comes from methane in the atmosphere, which absorbs red light and reflects blue and green wavelengths. Beneath the clouds lies a cold and turbulent world composed mostly of water, ammonia, and methane ice. Uranus is one of the coldest planets in the solar system, with temperatures dropping below -220 degrees Celsius. Our final planetary destination is Neptune, the most distant planet in the solar system. Located billions of kilometers from the Sun, this deep blue world marks the edge of the planetary region of our cosmic neighborhood. Despite its great distance, Neptune is an active and dynamic planet, with some of the strongest winds ever recorded. As we approach Neptune, its rich blue color becomes even more striking. Like Uranus, this color is caused by methane in its atmosphere. Powerful storms and supersonic winds move through the planet's thick clouds, creating a constantly changing environment. Neptune may be far from the Sun, but it remains one of the most fascinating worlds in the solar system. Our journey across the solar system comes to an end. From the scorching surface of Mercury to the icy depths of Neptune, each planet has revealed a unique chapter of our cosmic neighborhood. Yet beyond Neptune lies an even greater frontier, reminding us that the universe is far larger than we can imagine. Thank you for joining this incredible voyage through the solar system.